Impatient driver cuts off and then brake checks this driver with dashcam.
What the? Yeah. Yeah, that was scary shit, man. It just appeared out of nowhere. I was just like, what the?
The driver loses tire and somehow manages to not crash into other vehicles. He continued with driving like nothing happened.
Oh, Glenn, I can't even tell you what just happened in front of me, dude.
Yeah, I heard the wheel squeaking.
The car's wheel just came off and this is driving away. What the are you doing, dude? He's driving on his rim. He almost hit the car in front of me. The wheel just took off. What the
Dude, get video.
I got a dash cam. I have the whole thing on video.
Shut up!
I bet you.
I'm drunk now.
Fuck you.
Who cares?
I thought this was America.
Yeah. Where about my freedom? Yeah.
Well, but come on.
Anyway,
one thing I love.
What the f is that car doing?
Some drivers shouldn't be driving. For example, this one.
What the actual f is going on? What is this person doing? Go!
Jesus Christ! These people. Look at these.
This driver forces himself into the truck.
Oh, he hit him. He hit him. He hit him. He hit the car.
You know, there's obviously concerns about
Dashcam driver said that after guy in red pickup truck crossed the line multiple times, he started recording him. Luckily, everybody involved were not seriously injured. The driver from pickup truck was drunk, and he went to the jail for causing accident.
Oh my God!
Some shots at Don Mills. Now with a check on the forecast, here is Jill Taylor. It was 3 degrees very early this morning. That's your guaranteed high for the layout. Sitting about -1.
What the f is this?
-9. Strong west wind.
What the f is this?
Near Lake John and Georgian Bay, especially.
This driver gets his brand new car toe-tailed after a red light runner crashed into him. Check out how many bad drivers this dashcam recorded. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.